quick, we missed it again.
It's grand.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you're very welcome to Amsterdam. It's now coming up to 24 minutes to 9 o'clock. For your safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Fasten seatbelt sign overhead has been switched off. Please check overhead bins and seat pockets in front of you for personal belongings. Be very careful opening the overhead bins, as items which have become displaced during the flight may fall out, causing injury to you or to other passengers. Finally, this morning, on behalf of our Captain Sean Hines and all the crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing Flight Aer Lingus. We do hope you've enjoyed your flight, and we do, of course, look forward to seeing you on board as soon as we can. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. So long. August Bannerday. Good air.
It's huge.
No, you can't do that. You did it like this. And fucking look at those, you know, the hostess. Yeah, shopping mall over there.
Huh?
I'm in the house here.
Joe, that's what you do.